MoA fireworks display for the holidays 2025. At least not the New Year one, the Christmas one. And of course, there are the people. I would have thought it was a shrine to Moloch. Christmas holiday is this. There's an LG Christmas display here. Hey Mallrats, this is the OC Mallrat coming to you from SM Mall of Asia. We are at MoA Sky, which is the roof deck park. It is December 2025 and we are here to see the MoA fireworks display for the holidays 2025. At least not the New Year one, the Christmas one. This is gonna be the last Christmas one on December 13, which is Saturday. There's gonna be a drone show tomorrow, but I don't know if we'll see that. If we do, look for that video on the channel. Anyway, it's 6:30. Fireworks are gonna happen at 7. So you guys are gonna be staring at the screen for 30 minutes now. We'll cut straight back. Anyway, check it out, guys. Check it out. Viking boat in the back that I can hear. As you guys can see, nearing 7 p.m. and many people are waiting for the fireworks. Actually switched to 60 FPS for the fireworks, so this will be interesting. It's an experiment. Started. So this is the Mall of Asia fireworks display. Gotta get away from these. The lights are annoying. it, guys. We commuted all the way for 3 minutes of fireworks. Oh well. Thanks, Mall of Asia. And of course, there are the people. What else you guys want to see? That's 3 minutes of fireworks. Thought it would be around 10. The pyro-musical stuff is usually mga 10 to 30. But that was 3 minutes of fireworks. That used to be 5 minutes at least. And then they used to have it at Mega Mall in North Edsa as well. But well, hard times, guys. Hard times. They seem happy. I guess you take what you can get. You guys want to go down to the Sega Atlas thing? By the way, if you guys haven't checked that out, check out the Sega Atlas Fest video 2025. Sega Atlas Fest 2025 video. We're still trying to see if we can get in. If not, well, we'll film from the top. Oh, look, it's a dog. We are in the dog zone, actually. Dog zone. In Pizza. Very festive. I think they have some leftover Valentine's Day this place, or they're just leaving them there. course, the Starbucks is full. I have an Avatar Fire and Ash display being assembled here. Disney is spending a lot on the promotion. I see. Lined up. Life goals. I think they have a raffle and free giveaways, which is amusing. It's probably SM Appliance Center or something, not just LG. Although the people are wearing LG t-shirts. That's a line. There's an LG Christmas display here, which is weird but funny. Do they really need? Well, I guess they do. I am a die-hard ally of the LG TV community. I truly believe in the superiority of the LG TV. It's not a joke, by the way. I do love myself some LG screens. If this didn't say Year of the Ox, I would have thought it was a shrine to Moloch or Baal. Well, there you go, Mallrats. That was the SM Mall of Asia fireworks display for the 2025 Christmas holiday, this December 13, Saturday, 2025. Hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. We'll look around some more. See you guys in my other videos. Mallrat out. OC Mallrat out. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out. Check out the Baywalk video. We'll be checking that out in a couple of around an hour. This place closes at 2 a.m. At least the Baywalk. See you guys around.